Okay, removing the rear wheel on Harley Davidson Ultra Classic to replace the rear wheel bearings. First off, is get yourself a center jack. Jack her up just a little to get the wheel just enough off so you can just turn it. Then you want to get, if you happen to have, a small jack. You take the jack and you want to place the jack just under the swing arm. So you're going to take the weight off the swing arm. And that's a bit too much. Yeah, okay, set this just on the swing arm. And just take the weight. Then $16mm or 3/4 socket, and undo the shocks. Remove the bottom. And the jack is there just to stop it from dropping. And the top, loosen the top. And get your shock out of the way. Then go to the other side. Now we're on the left side. Tighten the top one up and hold the shock out of the way. Then we go around to the right side again. Now I didn't, self-explanatory to remove the slip-on exhaust. To remove this clip, holds it. Sits in a groove. Now, on your shaft, undo the nut here, which is a 36mm socket, which is torqued to 100 foot-pounds. Helps to have a big bar. Now the reason for having the little jack under the swing arm, so you can control the drop of the wheel. Once you pull the shaft out, of course everything's going to let go. The wheel is just off. Well, now it's just about sitting on it. Just off, and what we need to do is you back off on the jack and you start jacking on your center jack. That will allow the chassis to go up and the swing arm will stay where it is. So let's see how this happens. Now this should leave enough room in order to slide the brake caliper out when you pull your shaft out. Go around the other side, turn the fixed end of the shaft down so to take all the pressure off the cam and the belt. Once the shaft is out, pull that cam off. See how easy that pushed? Go to the other side, pull it out. There's a bushing spacer. Small spacer on this side. You roll it forward to get the belt off. Now the belt is off. And now we go back to the jack. Pump the swing arm up out of the way. Now you see what's happened there. This spacer rolled to this side, which should be on the right side. The right spacer rolled to the left side. Right side spacer, left side spacer. The space here goes outwards. Very easy to confuse when that drops. Think, oh geez, you go that way or that way. The shoulder goes out. You want to take it too high, or you won't get your caliper past the wheel. Simple. You have to be careful of this rubber here. It's a damper. You can very easily break those. And just rest that. Now, what we can do is jack the swing arm up some more. Get it right up out of the way. Now the wheel will just slide right out. Hopefully. That's the plan. And there we have one rear wheel removed in just a few easy steps. I hope this helps.